He's talking coherently and walking straight.
He's even got armor on.
Oh, body armor. Ramp jump's happening.
Yeah,
I
because
trust Corey, so we're good.
Perfect. Is that little fucking?
we changed the track. Eh? It's way more intense now.
Test run first.
Yeah.
So you need more equipment to get that ride.
I'm gonna show Dan how to ride.
That's right.
Yeah.
A wheelie and a hey. I'm gonna do a reenactment.
Oh, if it stays running, that thing runs real good.
It's only meant to go fast.
Yeah.
No, it's not an option.
I'm gonna pull Dan first.
Oh God!
Oh man! You want it? Fuck you! Wow! How did you hold on?
That was a good reenactment.
Hold on to that. That's like 8,000 milliccc's. Now we need one more person. I ain't seen no fucking ass grabbing. I can do that too. Yeah, grab it. Yeah, where's the Harley? Take the keys, I'll do it. I'm having a mini fight. I ain't jumping no fucking ramp. Hey, somebody else? No, you're not. Give a fuck.
Are you gonna jump the whole thing?
Yeah, stick up. Well, I know, but you know me. Oh, I think you're
Oh, landed it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's good now.
He grew some balls after those few beers, eh?
Something happened, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm too fat for that shit.
Yeah, you're too something.
There's little Kenny right there.
The bike would only land once.
You should go standing there as he jumps, man.
That suspension's working good full time.
He's alright.
He's good. He's good.
Bars.
It was smooth. He was good.